everybody. My name is Kaur. I have done BTech in Computer Science and Engineering, and finally I made a plan of going abroad and pursuing my masters. And after a long search of good agent, I came across Stormoverseas, and I found them really convenient, and the staff is so good, and they were so helpful, and they were so transparent in guiding me with my process. And I got my visa within 15 days. Firstly, I got my offer letter within 2 days. They also helped me in getting a scholarship, which was a plus point. And apart from that, why I would really recommend you to choose this agent is that the staff is really cordial. Also, they are very transparent in their process, and they guide their client really well, and they probably compromise with you in any circumstances and help you get your visa as soon as possible. Thank you.